Hi, I'm Anand El Rai, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Well, it's a huge privilege to have Mr. Anand El Rai with us, one of the filmmakers that I absolutely adore for several reasons. I think he's a fantastic filmmaker. At the same time, he's a much better human being, and he cares for art deeply. And there's much more to him. Pleasure having you back, sir, on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you, Faridun.
मुझे ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि that मैं मेरा शायद आई थिंक शायद दूसरा या तीसरा आपसे कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है because I feel that I know you for a longest period of time and there's so many things that you do and you care for which are I think wonderful and so I just mentioned about the art part of it. I think you're someone who stands for art very deeply. But this entire controversy around Man Marziya recently that certain scenes had to be removed and Anurag got upset and he felt that Kishore Lulla had done but you took the responsibility that you have done it. How do you look at this entire situation that happened?
I spoke about this before also, but really I felt very sad what I did with Man Marziya. But I had my own reasons. मेरे लिए यार ऑडियंस बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं आई नो कितने पेन के साथ अनुराग ने ये फिल्म बनाई है. ही वॉज सो पैशनेट अबाउट द एंटायर थिंग. और जब आपकी फिल्म एक बार बन जाती है, इवन अ स्मॉलेस्ट कट, इट हर्ट्स द डायरेक्टर बिकॉज बहुत सोच समझ के, बहुत मेहनत से वो चीज़ की जाती है. And he was not here. But what was important for me, or it was a tough call, was this story is not about smoking. So when they asked for these cuts, one only thing that came to my mind was audience who were actually waiting to watch this film, otherwise would have been deprived of. स्टैंड लेना चाहिए, बिल्कुल स्टैंड लेना चाहिए. अगर ये सिचुएशन वो वाली नहीं होती, व्हेन आई वाज ऑलरेडी देयर, द फिल्म वाज ऑलरेडी रनिंग इन द थिएटर्स, तो शायद मैं एक स्टैंड लेता. बट एट दैट पॉइंट इफ आई वुड हैव सेड कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग फॉर दीज कट्स, definitely I would have lost that week of my audience watching that film, and I would have been in a futile exercise otherwise. If you see कि ये कहानी जिस चीज़ के बारे में है वो तो मैं ऑडियंस तक पहुंचा दूं, फिर ये बैटल मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम, ऐसा नहीं है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं उठूंगा तो ये बैटल नहीं लड़ूंगा. ये कहानी मैं फिर से वैसे ही बनाना चाहूँगा विद वॉट एवर अनुराग वॉन्टेड इन इट. नाउ एंड दिस टाइम आई विल टेक केयर, अगली बार ये वाले सीन्स फिर से होंगे in some other form, और उस वक्त मैं अनुराग के साथ खड़े होके ये फाइट लड़ूंगा. This time I was all alone and that was my duty to take care of the story, rather than taking a stand on a issue.
So has it impacted your relationship with Anurag in any way whatsoever?
Not at all. In fact, एक चीज़ बहुत क्लियर है जो अनुराग ने भी मुझे बोली कि यार मैं आपसे नाराज़ नहीं हो सकता. सो वो मेरा भी है. सच अ पैशनेट डायरेक्टर एंड a great human being. We have been friends and हम लोगों ने जितना भी वक्त मुक्काबाज और मन मर्जिया के दौरान साथ गुजारा है, I have a great respect for him as a filmmaker.
No, definitely. And even as an individual, I think many times he overreacts, but the fact that as a person, I think he's wonderful. What is the position of art? That if we have to, if the filmmaker has to always just succumb, and that ये हटा दो, picture release नहीं हो सकती. There was this press conference of Thugs of Hindustan. So Amir से एक journalist ने सवाल पूछा कि that about that entire Babri Masjid and Ram Janmabhoomi, that entire verdict exactly नहीं, that there was observations by Supreme Court and the entire Ismail Farooqi case. So Amir was asked that आपने PK करी है तो आपका इस पे क्या point है? So Amir said कि यार मैं इसके बारे में अभी कुछ भी बोलूँगा मेरी पिक्चर हो जाएगी. So he has seen that in the past, that how when he spoke in the Indian Express, so what happened and how endorsements पे उनके असर होता है, फिल्म पे काफ़ी कैंपेन हुई. शाहरुख खान has experienced that with दिलवाले as well. Do you find it disturbing this trend that पद्मावत के साथ में हुआ, पद्मावती के साथ में हुआ, that whatever संजय बंसल, and that too I think was extreme, that it actually went to violence against him.
Right.
Do you find that disturbing?
It is definitely disturbing.
Always the filmmaker is expected that succumb.
It disturbs you is the first thing. It definitely disturbs you. It when certain limits are set around you in art, it is always disturbing for any director or any creative person. But दूसरी बात यह है फरीदुन कि I can't take myself out of this society and react. ये भी तो हम ही हैं end of the day. हम आज ऐसे नहीं है, बट ये जो एक तरह का ऑपोजिशन है, ये भी तो कहीं ना कहीं हम थे. देयर इज अ सर्टन अंडरस्टैंडिंग रिक्वायर्ड. हो सकता है आज से 15 साल पहले मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचता था जैसा मैं आज सोचता हूँ.
जी.
एक सर्टन अपब्रिंगिंग, एक सर्टन कॉन्वर्जेशन. आज मैं आपके साथ बैठ के बात करूँ, देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच आई लर्न फ्रॉम यू एंड इट विल बी विद मी. हो सकता है 5 साल बाद मैं आपको दोहरा रहा हूँ. यू नो, वॉट एवर यू आर टॉकिंग टू मी राइट नाउ, आई एम लर्निंग समथिंग एंड टेकिंग हेड. ये मेरे आसपास जो हो रहा है ये मुझे डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, बट मैं बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हूँ इस चीज़ को लेके कि ये चीज़ें ना बदलेंगी ज़रूर, और हम ही लगेंगे इसे बदलने के लिए. ये डिस्टर्ब मुझे आज कर रही है, बट मुझे ना, आई हैव टू फाइंड अ वे आउट. आई कांट गेट एंग्री, आई कांट गेट अपसेट and have a reaction to it. I need to find a way. It will take time, Faridun. We will suffer in the process, and we are suffering right now. But कहीं ना कहीं I hope ये जो मैं था 15 साल 20 साल पहले, ये लोग आज ऐसे रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, ये शायद 10 साल बाद नहीं करेंगे. So maybe we have to find a way to secure ourselves. कहीं एक बैलेंस डिस्टर्ब हुआ है, वो हमें फिगर आउट करना है कहाँ से. हमें एक दूसरे को एक कॉन्वर्जेशन में आना चाहिए. हमें ये बात एक दूसरे से करनी चाहिए और समझना चाहिए कि फ्रॉम वेयर इट्स बॉइलिंग, फ्रॉम व्हाट इज द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, कहाँ पे और किस वजह से इन चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. वंस वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट, वी कैन स्टार्ट क्योरिंग इट. We need to cure it. So it needs patience.
So I'll give you an example. For example, there's a lot of this, I think requests keep on coming that you should be making Tanu Weds Manut part 3, I think, and maybe at some point of time you will. So tomorrow, when you're writing the film with your writers, I think Himanshu writes most of the stuff. So will you have apprehensions कि यार मैं एक औरत को दिखा रहा हूँ जो कि शराब भी पीती है और गालियाँ भी बकती है, शी कैन बी सेक्सुअली प्रोमिस्कस एज वेल, एंड कल को उसके ऊपर कर देंगे हमारी औरतें तो इस तरीके से आप कैसे पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हैं. दिस इज नॉट द सभ्यता. हाउ कैन यू पोर्ट्रे एन इंडियन वुमन लाइक दैट? सो यू नेवर नो, समथिंग लाइक दिस कैन एक्चुअली हैपन.
इट कैन बट हाँ, और मैं ये चीज़ हम लोगों ने पहले भी बोली है कि दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर कैन किल the story or a film before it's been conceived. You know, ये आपकी सोच में ही आपकी कहानी मार सकती है, which is it's very painful. कि आप बनाने से पहले ही उस कहानी की सर्जरी कर देते हैं. You know, before it is born, you are already saying कि यार ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता. ये हो रहा है हमारे साथ इस वक्त, but we have to be there with our gut. We have to stand tall and fight this situation, Faridun. हम इसको इस तरह से ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते. रिवोल्ट इसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं है, मुझे इतना समझ में आ रहा है. आई नो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि कल मैं कहानी सुनाने उतरूंगा और मुझे ऑलरेडी ये मन में फियर होगा, बट आई हैव टू कीप ऑन हिटिंग बैक एंड फाइंड अ वे कि मैं नहीं कर रहा ऐसा अभी. जैसे मैंने बोला कि इफ यू गिव मी अनदर चांस, आई विल मेक एनीथिंग लाइक मनमर्जियां एज इट इज, जैसी अनुराग ने बनाई, विदाउट चेंजिंग एनीथिंग. आई विल बी अगेन देयर. फिर मुझे लड़ाई लड़नी पड़ेगी और मैं हार जाऊंगा, मंजूर है, बट आई विल कम बैक. आई विल नॉट, अब मैंने अपने सिस्टम में नहीं डाल दिया ओके नाउ आई वोंट शो सर्टन थिंग्स लाइक जैसा मुझे अब इस बार डिक्टेट किया गया कि ये डिलीट कर दो, अब से मैं ये फॉलो करूंगा. नहीं फॉलो करूंगा, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं फॉलो करूंगा. मैं फिर से आऊंगा. यू नो, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड अनुराग्स frustration where he had his own share of fights with censor board. This time the censor board was with him,
right?
And again this happened. I can understand what Anurag is going through. कि यार मैंने एक बैटल इतनी लंबी लड़ी थी, मैं कुछ चीजें ठीक कर रहा हूँ, इंटरनली चीजें बदल रही हैं. कल तक हम सेंसर बोर्ड से लड़ रहे थे, आज हम लोग किसी ना किसी तरह के पहुंचे हैं, वी आर इन सिंक, एंड नाउ दिस हैपेंस. But then this is also part of the same battle. You know, this is again the same battle जो हम एक कदम और आगे बढ़ के हमें लड़नी है. So कहीं ना कहीं we all have to be together, but हम रूट के नहीं बैठ सकते यार. We can't blame and just sit on that. Blaming won't solve the problem. We have to just find out ये क्यों हो रहा है और कहाँ से हो रहा है. जो कुछ साल पहले नहीं था आज क्यों है.
So one of the factors that one can understand is that maybe the film industry is not taking that seriously, in spite of the fact that it is such a soft power all across the world. You go anywhere in the world, like say I was in Egypt recently. मेरा कोई भी अगर मुझे लगता था कि that language मुझे problem हो रहा है, मुझे कहीं लग रहा है मैं कुछ खो गया हूँ, I just have to mention the name of Amitabh Bachchan. I'll be taken care of like royally. Like you can't even imagine locals.
Yeah.
ये भी नहीं diaspora. They are crazy about Amitabh Bachchan in anywhere. So it is a tremendous soft power. But the fact is, see what is happening, sir, is that what happens with Karan Johar for that matter, जिस तरीके से उनको threat किया जाता है कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते. So that when the filmmaker starts fearing that maybe law and order शायद हमें protect करने के लिए नहीं है. That's exactly what Amir had said in the Indian Express thing, and he was just literally trolled the way he was trolled. Then एक वो fear आता है कि that हम ये करेंगे तो पता नहीं public sentiment के नाम पे हमको protection शायद नहीं मिले. So, in fact, many times political leaders are the ones who are making those noises. The way it happened with Padmavati, there were so many political leaders who were making those noises, and who were just wielding the sword and just putting a price on the head of Deepika Padukone. So, वो एक factor सर है जो कि मेरे पता नहीं पहले था, मेरे ख्याल at least मेरी जितनी जिंदगी है, and I'm not just blaming any particular political party, but the fact is that वो एक factor जब है कि that आप कुछ भी करेंगे तो आपको पता नहीं आपको protection मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. That is something that's a big concern. Like say in Hollywood, they can say anything that they want to, but they know that there is a system.
Yeah.
No one can bypass that system in terms of like a police or any other agencies. So maybe that is one of the factors that is working on the minds, and enough steps are not being taken.
The only thing I feel, now it's very personal, is that at one point we have to stop doubting and start believing in certain things. We have to stop doubting. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि चीज़ें टफ नहीं हुई हैं, और ये पिछले कुछ सालों में हमने देखा है, बट कहीं ना कहीं ये वॉइस what we are talking right now should reach. Is it reaching right place? और ये कहीं नीचे ही दब के रह जा रही है. Are we reaching the concerned people where we want to? मेरे पास और कोई तरीका नहीं है फरीदुन, but I have to believe in system. I have to believe in system. Otherwise, हम लोग जीरो जी में इधर उधर घूमते रहेंगे. मुझे कहीं ना कहीं तो एक फैक्टर लाना पड़ेगा, या ट्रस्ट का, या राइट स्पॉट पे मार्क करने का कि दिस इज वेयर इट इज गोइंग रॉन्ग. मैं पूरे सिस्टम को वो नहीं कर सकता कि यार द एंटायर सिस्टम इज वो. This won't lead anywhere. This is my society. These are the circumstances. This is all is happening in my country right now. Why? Where? We can't blame the entire system for it. We have to pinpoint, and at the same time see कि कहाँ पे कुछ प्लस होगा वो देख लो, कहाँ पे क्या माइनस है. Just read that. अब overall reaction, इफ यू से हम लोग टोटली एक चीज को ब्लैक कर देंगे, वो भी सॉल्व नहीं करेगा. इट वोंट सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस. एंड डेफिनेटली इट इज फॉर मी ऑल्सो. इट्स नॉट वन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी और अनदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. हर बार कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है. इस बार का ये रिएक्शन बहुत बड़ा है. इट इज अफेक्टिंग अस, आई एम सेइंग, बट अगेन वी हैव टू रियली, अच्छा अगर ये ऐसा हो रहा है तो ये क्यों हो रहा है, वॉट एग्जैक्टली. अगर किसी को ये चीज करके बाय ब्रिंगिंग दिस थॉट इन द कंट्री, बाय किलिंग द आर्ट इन दिस फॉर्म, किसको एडवांटेज मिल रहा है इसका, और कौन, हु इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, हु इज गेटिंग द एडवांटेज. Why people like us when I say us, I'm not talking about makers or the creative people. I'm talking as a common man. ये बात मुझे क्यों बताई जाती है बार बार, और इस बात से मैं ओवरऑल मुझे तो अपसेट होना चाहिए ना. एंड अगेन आई एम सेइंग नॉट एज अ मेकर, मुझे अदरवाइज भी इन चीजों से अपसेट होना चाहिए ना. एंड आई सॉ इन मनमर्जियां थिंग ऑल्सो, देयर वर पीपल हु वर रिएक्टिंग, audience were reacting against whatever happened to मनमर्जियां. मैंने हार मान ली उनके सामने, एक बात, बट आई whatever the reaction I read were in my favor.
Definitely.
So I know that somewhere my people are there for me. They are not asking for it. They are not asking to kill art. They are not asking to किसी की आवाज दबाने की बात. They are not.
Sure. So,
They are loving Amir Khan as Amir Khan. They are loving Amitabh Bachchan as Amitabh Bachchan. वो differentiate नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Karan, I think I think the beauty of this country is that these things should not be even I think like talked about. Why I'm asking you this is because the fact is that relentlessly in the film that you're producing or directing, there is an element. There is, I think, personally as a viewer, and entirely like I have no aspirations to be on the other side. I'm a very passionate viewer.
Yeah.
I love watching movies. For me, it's a very important part is the subtext for any film. For me, I think that is the film. कहानी तो more or less बहुत हद तक सिमिलर ही होती है.
Similar.
चाहे आपकी नील बटे सन्नाटा है जिसमें आपने एजुकेशन का जिस तरीके से कि दैट आपने एक माँ है जो पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है एंड वो किस तरीके से करता है, तो उसमें एक सबटेक्स्ट है, वो ब्यूटीफुल है जिस तरीके द वे इट फ्लोज. Then you have Mukkabaz. It's not merely about boxing. You are also talking about how beef lynching is taking place,
Right.
and why maybe it's not right. The caste politics and why it is so I think bad, and that how can anyone become big just because of the fact that he's from the higher caste. You have Newton, which I think has beautiful subtext in terms of the idea is that India is a brilliant country, that it gives you the opportunity to reach out to vote,
Right.
and that too in the farthest corners. And there are officers who are willing to do anything to just make sure that the idea of democracy is saved. At the same time, there is corruption and all those things that they tend to happen. Even Tumbad, I think I've seen Tumbad, so I can talk about it. You have wonderful, I think, messages on Mahatma Gandhi. You have people who are talking about Nathuram Godse, but the fact is that they are talking in a certain manner, but the tone and the tenor of the entire idea behind it is different. It's like women empowerment के बारे में बात हो रही है, Pandit ji, the way he talks about, which is wonderful. So you have relentlessly tried to come up. Tanu Weds Manu, obviously, the way you have stood up for women empowerment.
Right.
So Ranjana in many ways as well. So it has been very important for you in terms of to be progressive in a very natural form of mind. So I asked you this question entirely from that perspective, that you have a natural bent of mind of making a statement.
Yeah.
And how important is that for you?
And that's what I said. I'll keep on doing that. There are pressures. I feel sad at times and say, yaar, next time. But trust me, that is the second nature of me. I'll keep on doing it. I don't want to lose the battle in between. मुझे मालूम है मैं अपनी कंट्री में ही हूँ यार. End of the day, this is my country. अगर चार आवाजें, there is an opposition. They are people. They are my countrymen. मैं नाराज होके जाऊं कहाँ पर? Where will I go? I have to keep on fighting here. I have to, and the only thing I will ask my colleagues, my team is to नहीं, मैं blame करके ना, I don't. I'm again saying कि बिल्कुल, I was very fortunate to be part of a film like Newton. I was very fortunate to have a film like Nil Bate Sannata, because it makes me feel that मुझे हमेशा लगा कि फिल्म बनाने का एक मेरे पास रीजन होना चाहिए. Any film, I should have a reason.
जी.
Like for me, Tumbad is definitely it's being pitched like a horror, but yeah, I can say it's a scary film. For me, it scares you from greed. It's a very important film.
Yeah.
For me, in Nil Bate Sannata, my favorite line was when the kid grows and जब वो IAS के लिए होती है और उस इंटरव्यू में उससे पूछा जाता है एंड सेज कि आप ऑफिसर क्यों बनना चाहती थी, सेज क्योंकि मैं बाई नहीं बनना चाहती थी.
वाह.
फॉर मी इट वाज, मतलब मैं अभी भी बात कर रहा हूँ, इट गिव्स मी गूज़बम्प्स बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि यार ये चीज़ ये मेरे ही देश में हो रहा है, ये मेरी ही कंट्री है. मेरे को सिर्फ 2 मेड सर्वेंट्स के दिमाग में इतना डालना था कि बेटी पढ़ा लो,
सही में.
एंड आई एम डन. आई हैव मेड अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल फिल्म बिकॉज 2 तो मैंने ही देख ली और मुझे नहीं रोका गया. ये बातें करने से मुझे नहीं रोका गया. वेदर इट इज टू डू विद न्यूटन और तनु एड्स मनु, मुझे नहीं रोका गया. अब मैं कुछ प्रेशर्स से गुजर रहा हूँ, राइट, while doing मन मर्जियाँ, और you know there are even in मुक्काबाज, it was अनुराग was actually मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा डाइल्यूट किया है मन मर्जियाँ में. अदरवाइज ही हैज गॉट सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वॉइस. वो मुक्काबाज में था, ही केम मतलब फुल ब्लो के साथ आया.
full guns blazing.
या जो अनुराग है, दिस टाइम अनुराग वांटेड टू गेट इनटू अ लव स्टोरी. अदरवाइज द ओरिजिनल अनुराग का जो जिसको बोलते हैं कि जो उसकी पिच है, मुक्काबाज, ही वाज वेरी वेरी डोमिनेटिंग एंड वेरी मच देयर. और उसने सुनाई वो कहानी, ऐसा नहीं है नहीं सुनाई. उसकी अपनी फाइट सेंसर में रही होगी पर वो अपनी ऑडियंस के पास पहुंचा. और ये फाइट अब हमारे लिए हर्डल्स थोड़े बढ़ गए
जी.
बट हूं तो मैं वहीं हूं, तो मैं अपने घर पे ही. आई एम एट माई होम. आई कांट से कि यार देखो अब मुझे यहाँ पे फिल्में बनाने नहीं दिया जा रहा. मैं किसको बोलूंगा, मुझे खुद को ही बोलना है ना. आई हैव टू फाइंड अ वे आउट. मैं नहीं बोल सकता ना कि चलो यार अब से यहाँ नहीं बना रहा, अब तो मैं आई विल गो एंड मेक फिल्म, ईरानियन फिल्म. मैं हिंदी बनाऊंगा ही नहीं. मैं बनाऊंगा, मेरे को अपनी ऑडियंस, मेरी ऑडियंस यहाँ पे है. मेरे रूट्स यहाँ पे हैं, मेरी कहानियां यहीं से ही निकलने वाली है. Why will I won't get disheartened. I'll put up my fight. Tough times will pass by, but I have to be here. I have to stand on my feet and say कि मुझे मेरी कहानी अपनी ऑडियंस तक पहुंचानी है. I have to reach them.
As I mentioned in the past, that you made several films which have I think done wonderful stuff for women empowerment. Even Mukkabad, I think there was a lot of very strong role for Zoya.
Yeah.
And relentlessly. So when you see this entire debate around say Tanushree Datta right now, so maybe what has happened with her is definitely wrong. But when it is made out to be that all men in the industry, they are like really predators, and in many cases, and there's so many people, they should be, if someone does not speak up about this matter, then they are trolled and they are heavily just spoken about in a certain manner. So when you see that the basic idea, that where it starts off from, and then the way it just travels, and the blame game starts, and then everyone is just taken to task. Like I think there's some Bimal Roy and so many filmmakers, Guru, that they've presented their actresses beautifully.
Yeah.
And so I've been around for so many years. I'm not saying that wrong things don't happen, but the fact is that there's so many women, if they're working, so I'm sure that they must be working because of the fact that they feel safe. How do you look at this entire debate? That when it just either it is on this side, like अगर आप इस साइड पे हैं तो फिर आप उस साइड के खिलाफ हैं, अगर आप उस साइड पे हैं तो आप इस साइड के खिलाफ हैं, which is like either this or there's no midway, which is like
इस चीज को लेके ना we have been discussing this for quite some time, and in my office only we had lot of confrontation because जब ये बात उठती है तो इसका ना एक ही what we reached at, we all were sitting and talking. Himanshu was there, and actually कहीं ना फरीदोन, हमारी हिस्ट्री का भी कुछ देना पड़ता है. When I say this, it's like, yes, this we as a society, for ages we have been a very male-dominated society.
जी.
Right? शायद अब हम उतने नहीं हैं. So we feel at times this generation feels cheated. Of यार, we are not like that. We have kept women as, if we talk about our history, आप 100 साल पीछे चले जाएं, we have kept women as a dependent person. हमको हमेशा ये, अगर हम अब ऐसा नहीं है पर तब तो हम मानते हैं ना था ऐसा. यू नो. अब हमारे पूरे सिस्टम में से वो चीज़ें उतनी, अब हम इक्वालिटी की बात कितने सालों से कर रहे हैं, हो गया ना हमको इस बारे में बात करते करते, और हम यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं. आज से 50 साल पहले वाली सिचुएशन, उससे 100 साल पहले वाली सिचुएशन और 150 साल पहले वाली सिचुएशन, अगर आप देखेंगे हम बेहतर होते गए हैं. वी हैव बीन गेटिंग बेटर, एंड नाउ इज अ टाइम वेयर when we talk about these things, कि या तो आप इस तरफ होंगे या आप उस तरफ होंगे. अगर आप इस तरफ होंगे तो वहां वालों को बुरा लगेगा, अगर आप इस तरफ होंगे तो you are caught in. It is not because of what is happening today, it's because हमारी जो मेक की प्रॉब्लम थी ना यार, कोई चीज आपके सिस्टम में 150 साल से अगर चल रही हो ना, उसको निकलने में भी तो टाइम लगता है. So actually at times you feel that you have to pay for that also. कहीं ना कहीं इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि एक मेल ऐसा सोचता है, फीमेल भी वैसा सोचती है. इक्वलिटी नहीं होगी इसीलिए तो बातें हो रही हैं, पर गिवन अ टाइम, थोड़े दिन और दे दो, वो खत्म हो जाएंगी. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग बहुत क्लियरली, कि हम जो आज स्टैंड लेंगे ना, उसका वो चाहे मतलब कोई भी एक किसी भी बड़े मुद्दे पे, उसका मेजर एडवांटेज और नीटनेस और अ बेटर सोसाइटी आज से 25 साल बाद ही रिफ्लेक्ट करेगी. वो अभी नहीं कर पाएगी. तो जब मैं ये बोल रहा हूं ना कि मेरे को वापस मौका दो, मैं वापस वही फिल्म बनाऊंगा, मुझे अपने इश्यूज जिन पे मेरे को स्टैंड लेना है, वो मुझे बार बार करना पड़ेगा. वो मेरा एक बार करने से नहीं होगा, और फिर एक दिन वो चीज बदल जाएगी. इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक बहुत पहले सोचा गया होगा ना कि इंडिपेंडेंस के बारे में, मिली तो 47 में ही आके. द ओनली सोल्यूशन टू दिस इज द डे वी गेट इक्वालिटी, विल स्टॉप टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, एंड द डे वी स्टॉप टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, चीजें सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएंगी हमारे लिए. वंस वी रीच देयर ना, वो अपने आप अभी इनइक्वल वो है, बैलेंस नहीं है. इट्स अ फैक्ट. इसीलिए ये बातें ऐसे उठती हैं.
So that is fine. Obviously, that is definitely not there. In fact, there was this movie Shaadi Ke Side Effects, and I spoke to Vidya and Farhan. So Vidya, I think, she said a very pertinent thing, that the reason why women they come across is that they have, in fact, their entire conversation many times it's in many layers, and they have a lot of basically it seems that it's like very layered conversations that they tend to have, and there's parat pe parat hoti hai, parat pe parat hoti hai. So she said the reason for that is that women have been subjugated for such a long time that now they're coming out and they're expressing themselves, and it's coming with a lot of force. That is why it's something which affects a few people. My question was more about the industry. Like Anubhav Sinha tweeted yesterday a lot of things that, so obviously he was supporting Tanushree, that see, we need to find out that how can anyone attack her the way she was attacked, and it is absolutely inhuman to do the way it is. But then those voices when they start coming in that the industry में ऐसा होता है, उसने उसको झापड़ मारा, उसने उसको ये किया, उसने वो किया, उसने ये किया, and सारे इंडस्ट्री के लोग जो हैं वो इसी तरीके के हैं. So वो थोड़ा सा एक जो वो हो जाता है, and many times the industry people, they are not defending themselves. So वो एक perception जो बन जाता है that see Bollywood, this is what it is all about, that all of them they are misogynists, and it is that these things are happening. वो एक जो चीज़ है, I think I personally find it that see even personally I spoke to Daisy Shah. I got her perspective. I was the first one to get her perspective, that what really happened.
Right.
And so the entire thing. So even definitely if there is something, we should definitely just help her. There's no doubt about that. But the fact is that just calling the industry like a brothel, she has said that. Tanushree has called the industry a brothel. So वो थोड़ा मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा हो रहा है. It becomes a bit too much at times, which is not right as well.
That's why I said na, anything, whether anger can't solve the problem. Even if I say whatever she has gone through, आज उनका वो anger है. I will still बिल्कुल आपको ये एक as बहुत आसानी से, बिकॉज यू आर इन अ क्रिएटिव फील्ड एंड यू आर सो कॉल्ड, इसको एक ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड बोला जाता है, यू आर इन द आई, आप कुछ भी करें सबको पता होता है कि इस वक्त शाहरुख खान कब फ्लाइट ले रहे हैं, कब लैंड कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने क्या बोला, बिकॉज वो हर बार रिकॉर्ड ही हो रहे होते हैं, आमिर हर बार रिकॉर्ड ही हो रहे होते हैं, सलमान अगर कुछ भी बोल देंगे वो हो जाएगा। ये है, ये इंडस्ट्री के अपने प्लस माइनस हैं कि आप the kind of love you get, you are surprised, the kind of hatred, it's so shocking.
Correct.
This is bound to happen to our industry. और हम लोग होते हैं, we are in the eye, वो हम लोग दिखते रहते हैं। So ये चीज़ हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए बोली जाती है, बट the reasons why this is happening, the reason कि आज तनुश्री ने ये बोल दिया, ये हमारी एक्टर ही है ना, उनको ऐसा कहीं ना कहीं फील हुआ होगा। एज अ मेल ऑल्सो कभी आप कुछ ऐसी बात बोल देते हैं जिसपे मुझे वो उनकी वो बात याद आ गई कि द वे वी पोर्ट्रे आर वुमेन इन द फिल्म्स, वो मजरू साहब की वो लाइन याद आ गई मुझे। मजरू साहब से किसी ने पूछा कि आपके टाइम पे जो एक्ट्रेसेस थी वो बहुत पायस और वैसी दिखती थी, आज के टाइम पे ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा? तो उन्होंने बोला था कि जी हमारी वो किसी की गलती नहीं है, वो हमारी ही गलती है। तब हमारी लिखावट में होता था कि दम भर जो उधर मुंह फेरे वो चंदा मैं तुमसे प्यार कर लूँगी।
क्या बात।
तो हमने उन्हें चांद से भी शर्माता हुआ दिखाया है, और अगर आप अब लिखेंगे खंबे जैसी खड़ी है तो वो वैसी ही दिखेंगी। सो माई पॉइंट इज दैट कहीं ना कहीं वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द टैग्स वी आर गेटिंग। So we have to be very careful about whatever we are saying or whatever we are doing. End of the day, this industry is in itself a big family. We have to take care of this family.
Definitely.
Otherwise, the image that will go out is...
No, there is absolutely no doubt about the fact that a lot of updations they need to happen. There is absolutely no doubt about that, and I'm sure that it will happen now. Consider that you worked with Kangana in at least 2 films. So with this entire, she's a terrific artist. When Karnika trailer has come out today, I think she is looking mind-blowing the way she is looking right now. But this entire perception that has been built around her, that in terms of that even for this movie, she was supposedly taking the credit for the director. Thankfully, that has been sorted, and so the director is getting his due credit. And but yeah, even before that, the entire Apurva Asrani thing, the way it happened with Simran, and even before that. So how do you look at this? Look at the way things have happened, because she delivered like a 150 crore film with you, and I think she became the first woman to deliver such a big hit as a solo lead. And so how do you look at these many perceptions that are
this
around?
is again how I said about Anurag, fantastic human being. His second nature is being a fighter. और वो लड़ता है शुरू से, फ्रॉम 5 to what I like about Anurag, I'll tell you, जो मेरे अंदर नहीं है is मैं कोई भी बात करने से पहले 2 बार सोच के ये देखता हूँ कि नहीं यार, it might hurt somebody, right? Even if I know कि ये ट्रुथ है, अनुराग कंधे पे हाथ रखेगा, सामने वाला हर्ट भी होगा और ये अपनी बात भी बोलेगा. There is nothing wrong in it. मुझे कई बार लगता है कि मैं अपनी बात मेरे को हमेशा लगता है कि हम 2 वैसे वाले मेकर्स हैं जहाँ मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि वक्त बदल रहा है, थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग. अनुराग 2 स्टेप आगे है, इनसे वक्त बदल गया है, थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड. वो वहां से शुरू होता है. सो दैट्स हिज सेकंड नेचर. ना कंगना अगेन वो है उसके अंदर. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो जब व्हेन वी वर मेकिंग तनु इट्स 101 लाइफ वाज डिफरेंट, नोबडी वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनीबडी. मुझे एक्ट्रेस मिल गई थी तो उसको एक ऐसी सी फिल्म मिल गई थी जहाँ पे शी वॉज हैप्पी दैट देयर इज अ डायरेक्टर हु सेड आई वांट टू सी कंगना एज तनु और आई वांट टू सी एज घर की बेटी, बिकॉज बिफोर दैट यू वर देयर फॉर गैंगस्टर्स एंड all those roles which were totally opposite of what Tanu के जो ingredients थे. So at that time it was a small film, a new director, an actress getting a chance which she has not played before. Life smooth थी, no much expectations from it. एंड क्योंकि मैंने अपने लाइफ के 10 साल लगा दिए थे, मेरे को करना ही था, मुझे ये कहानी वैसे ही सुनानी थी जब मुझे सुन, सो आई मैनेज्ड, लाइफ मूव्ड ऑन। मुझे रांझना बनानी थी, मैं रांझना पे चला गया, कंगना की लाइफ में क्वीन हो गई, एंड देन वी मेट अगेन लाइक फ्रेंड्स। और ऐसा नहीं है कि उसकी मेरी मतलब फ्रेंड्स लाइक वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स है, शी इज हैप्पी विद माई सक्सेस, आई एम हैप्पी विद हर सक्सेस। बट व्हेन वी मेट फॉर तनु एड्स मनु रिटर्न्स, मेरी लाइफ के 4 साल बीत गए थे। 1 से रिटर्न्स में आई हैड माई ओन ग्रेजुएशन एज अ डायरेक्टर, she from Tanu and Manu to Queen and then reaching on returns, she had her own growth. So when we met, she was trying to find वो वाला आनंद जो 1 में था, I was trying to find वो वाली कंगना, and we were not same when we met again.
Sure.
We had our own likings for each other as persons, but as a maker or as an actor, अरे हम लोग थोड़े थोड़े बदल गए थे।
जी.
So there were times where I said, "Dear, I was expecting that you will receive it like this," and she was expecting me. And again, मैं जितना प्रोफेशनल बात कर रहा हूँ, वो पर्सनल पे भी आ रहा था हमारे कि how can she say like this, or she was feeling how can I? But
So she had reservations, sir.
we both were like unable to. We were trying to find जो 4 साल पहले वाले थे। मैं बदल गया था, मुझे उसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं था,
बहुत ह्यूमन नेचर है, दैट्स द,
ठीक है। बट द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज वी बोथ वर मेकिंग फिल्म, शी वाज देयर फॉर द फिल्म, शी हैड ग्रोन एज एन एक्टर, दैट वाज अ ग्रेट एडवांटेज फॉर मी व्हेन आई वाज मेकिंग रिटर्न्स, एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट वाज इफ आई वुड हैव मेड तनु एड्स मनु रिटर्न्स बिफोर रांझना, वो ऐसी नहीं दिखती। सो कहानी के लिए हम दोनों की ग्रोथ वर्क कर रही थी, बट वो रिबेल नेचर, दैट्स हर सेकंड नेचर, वो है वो वैसी वाली, यू कैन फील ऑफेंडेड, बट देन जैसे मैंने अनुराग के लिए बोला, व्हाई शुड आई चेंज हिम, एंड सेम वे व्हाई विल शी चेंज, शी विल हैव दिस, ये चीजें सुनाई देती रहेंगी आपको कि अरे सिमरन में ये हुआ, अरे डायरेक्टर का क्रेडिट नहीं, अच्छा हुआ नहीं है कंगना ने।
But will you be apprehensive, say, when you work, if you work with her for the next time, for the next one, which, because you know it's a winning franchise, I think she would love to be a part of it. I'm sure that you would love to make it at some point. So would you be apprehensive, or will there be any clauses?
No, we are grown up people, will sit and talk.
This is what your domain will be, and this is my domain.
अगेन मैं उसको उस तरह से डिवाइड नहीं करूंगा डोमेन। आई डोंट फील कि फिल्म मेकिंग मेरे लिए वैसी वाली,
इट्स अ कोलैबोरेशन, कि
यार मैं ये मेरे स्पेस में मत आना, दैट्स नॉट मी। बट डीप डाउन बीइंग अ डायरेक्टर, हार्ट बीट तो मेरी रहेगी, यू नो, ये जिद नहीं है, ये जरूरत है। दैट हार्ट बीट हैज टू बी एनी फिल्म व्हिच आई, बिकॉज मैं why I go for a story, because I feel for it, because I'll give my heartbeat to it. So that way, that I won't change. Rest I'm also ready to fight, or and I never decide for कि आज के बाद मैं इस एक्टर के साथ कभी काम नहीं करूँगा, नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं। It is never that.
Because you know, जो personally why I think I feel that the reason why you're respected a lot as a producer is that you give that freedom to the director. So obviously many a times, like I have personally met producers who can be so domineering that वो तो मतलब आप उनको अगर इंटरव्यू में भी नहीं चाहो तो वो जबरदस्ती इंटरव्यू में आ जाते हैं डायरेक्टर और एक्टर्स के साथ में, तो ताकि वो भी दिख जाए। So I have experienced that as well. So the best thing about you is that you give that space. I've seen the way you let Ashwini Iyer flower in Neel Bhatte Sannata, be it obviously Anurag is a senior guy, but even apart from that, Shubh Mangal Savda, and the way you just gave the entire platform to the editor, to the director. So you never try to hog it like that, you know, it is an Anand L. Rai film. So which is beautiful, because क्या है कि अगर आप क्रेडिट हॉग नहीं करना चाहोगे तो वो अपने आप से आएगा, because there is a certain credibility which is attached to you. But still, so say for example, if the way since you've worked with Kangana for the matter, do you feel that she is a brilliant artist? I think that when you see her on screen and the amount of effort that she is putting in, but maybe the activities which are around her personal life, and even apart from that, the way she picks up the fights, Many times media plays it a lot because, and it works, the entire nepotism debate and all those things, the way they happen. In a way, do you feel that it impacts her adversely in a way? Because, you know, if you're an artist for that matter, obviously कौन क्या करना चाहता है वो उसका prerogative है.
बिल्कुल.
But still, there's so many things which have happened around her, personal life maybe, and then she just goes hammers and tongs ahead with that. Do you feel it impacts her? Maybe as an artist, आप फिल्में करते रहो. Ultimately, that's what you'll be known for, and that's what you
But
should be
again,
known for.
Faridun, this is that's why she's different from others. This is her make, you know. Whether this makes her a easy person or a difficult person, but she's original, you know, with all complexities or a certain kind of nature. That's make Kangna, you know, and you know. The best part is that you know that she is like this, and you are aware of this for quite some time now. But then there are films which will happen. There are films which will require somebody like her to play that part. मुझे लगता है वो decisions जो है ना, वो आपको नहीं रोकनी चाहिए to go and act to an actor. Tomorrow, if I have a character, I feel yeah, this requires this kind of rage or this kind of madness from an actor to bring on the table for this character. This should happen. You know, there are certain roles which you see कि ये अनुष्का के साथ ही हो सकता है, और ये इस रोल में आपको कंगना दिख रही है, या आपको इस रोल में दीपिका दिखती है. देयर आर लाइक देन ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि ओ अब मैं ये नहीं करूँगा. आई नो कि विद हर देयर आर टाइम्स, अब क्योंकि मैं काम कर चुका हूं तो मेरे को ये पता है कि मेरे को उससे पहले क्या बात करनी. आई नो, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग हर टू चेंज, बट सेम वे आई विल एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ कि दिस इज वेयर आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम.
Absolutely.
That expression should be there.
You can put things into perspective better. Okay. You just spoke about Anushka for that matter. Now, so I'll give you an example. Say, for example, Anushka is, even if there is anything happening in her personal life, so what I really like about it, that say she had that entire controversy that when she just put her gaadi ka shisha down and she just gave her. So a lot of controversy was just created around it. But what I liked about the way she handled it, she just completely let it simmer down. And instead of making it out to be like a publicity campaign for herself, she just let it simmer down. She made a statement, and after that, but the fact is that the way her work is speaking, I thought even when Harry Met Sejal, she was outstanding.
Yeah.
I saw Sui Dhaga yesterday. I was not here, so I could not watch it. I think she was outstanding. It is not Anushka Sharma that you're watching. You're watching Mamta at all the time. Mamta को वो snigger करती है.
यार एक एक्टर के लिए ना ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि वो ना कोई भी इमेज अपने साथ लेके ना चले तो बेहतर है. तो आई थिंक अनुष्का, हाउ यू डिस्क्राइब
She was outstanding. She was excellent Pari.
या
She was excellent Pari.
बिकॉज वो शी इज इन अ ग्रेट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. ये मुझे मैं बिकॉज आई हैव नाउ जीरो में मुझे ये पता है कि जब व्हेन शी इज विद यू ऑन दैट कैरेक्टर, उसके पास और कुछ नहीं है. इन हर माइंड शी इज जीरो मैनिपुलेटिव गर्ल. कुछ भी देयर इज नो स्ट्रेटजीज रनिंग इन हर माइंड. सो वो बहुत क्लीन आती है. उसका डायमेंशन बहुत क्लियर होता है एज एन एक्टर. सो व्हेन यू सी हर इन सुई धागा, और यू सी हर इन परी, और यू सी हर इन शी इज, वो ना अपना 100% दे पा रही है. लाइक फॉर मी इन जीरो ऑल्सो, शी टेक्स एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम यू फर्स्ट. और बहुत दिखता नहीं है कि हाउ मच शी इज वर्किंग ऑन इट. शी इज नॉट दैट कि मैं एक मेथड अप्लाई करूंगी और अब मुझे ऐसा एक घंटे का साइलेंस चाहिए. नहीं है. शी अंडरस्टैंड्स इट एंड शी इज सो नीट अबाउट थिंग्स.
Very focused.
वो एज अ पर्सन भी है, सिर्फ एक्टर नहीं. शी इज वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन. आई ऑलवेज से वो एकदम ग्लास की तरह आपको दिखती है कि वो क्या सोच रही है इस वक्त और क्या बोल रही है. उसमें ज्यादा अंतर नहीं.
That is true. In a way, what you're trying to say is that any day I think it's far more easier to work with someone who's focused on the job at hand and doesn't maybe try to interfere too much.
And that's the reason she can move swiftly from Sui Dhaga to Pari to Zero. She's moving very well
swiftly,
and
very
with
swiftly.
and understanding the character and delivering it.
And she's managing her personal life very, very nicely in terms of being a superstar cricketer's wife and all that. She doesn't let that come into her.
हाँ, उसके साथ भी कितने हैं? There are so many things, scandal,
मैच में जाए
controversies.
ना जाए बेचारी, मतलब it's like seriously.
हाँ, for her to
It's
decide
like-
कि मैं
it's-
अपने हस्बैंड का मैच देखूं नहीं देखूं.
मतलब it's like दुनिया जज पूरा 125 करोड़ लोग जज करेंगे, which is like I think bizarre, like really bizarre. दुनिया में ऐसा कहीं हो नहीं सकता. Coming to Zero, sir, this is definitely I think your most ambitious project, and a lot of speculation around the film as well. So so a lot of people they're of the opinion within the film industry that Zero is one film that will revive Shah Rukh Khan's fortunes as a superstar, because of the fact that who's behind it. As a director, you have this consistent record of making films which are artistically sound, aesthetically sound, but at the same time, you understand that cinema is ultimately a medium for entertainment. People should get entertained, and there is a certain, and आप जिस strata को आप judge aim कर रहे हो, आप उनको judge नहीं करोगे. That it is something that even if the lowest common denominator,
Right.
you are not going to judge them. You're going to give them what they're looking for. The only thing is कि आप उसको rap इस तरीके से कर देंगे, it becomes aesthetically very sound.
अच्छा, मैंने
How
इतना
tough
सारा
is
नहीं
it?
सोचा.
How tough is it?
I have not thought so much. Only thing I know that 2007, 2008, just 10 years back, I can say that with a couple of failures, I had hit the bottom.
Right.
that
Strangers and yeah.
Thodi Life.
Thodi Life, Thodi Magic.
So I had hit bottom at that point. But again, as I said, what comes in the play and what actually saves you is the kind of person you are by nature. I've been a very happy and calm guy in my life. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ों की ज़रूरत और बहुत ज़्यादा ambitious नहीं हूँ, खुद को लेके मेरे को कोई गलत फहमी नहीं है. So वो जब मैंने bottom hit किया था, then too I was, मुझे लगा कि अरे यार शायद मेरी समझ इतनी है, I'll survive, I'll do something जो मेरे लिए correct है. I have reasons to make films. और मुझे ये समझ में आ गया था कि my failure was मेरा उसका reason क्या था. I think at that point I was trying to prove to this industry and to my audience that see, I know my bit, I know my direction.
जी.
मुझे आता है, मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ. Which was wrong. In my case, that's how I see. मुझे उस वक्त एक ही बात समझ में आई थी. I understood that I'm here not to impress people. I'm here to tell a story. And the most important thing that I really got hold of was tell your story fearlessly.
Wow.
And trust me, Faridun, मैं नहीं था, मैं कभी भी fearless नहीं था उससे पहले. And I really started enjoying my life as a storyteller. Said यार जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Let's make. अब I've hit the bottom. इससे नीचे कहाँ जाऊँगा? You know. So when I was making Tanu Adds Manu, the only new ingredient in me was this fearless storyteller. और from there till this point, मैं वो नहीं छोड़ता भाई.
Till Zero.
I'm holding on to this. I have to be fearless when I'm telling my story. And I'm not here to impress and show that देखो मेरी फिल्म मेकिंग क्या है. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मेरी ये कहानी सुन लो बस.
क्या बात.
That's what I'm trying to do. Just my communication with my audience is come and listen to this story. ना इससे कुछ ज़्यादा मांग रहा हूँ, ना इससे कुछ कम. I'll be very honest when I'm telling my story. Good, bad, ugly, you decide. But I'm giving my soul to it. And that's one thing whenever I get down on floor, the only thing I pray God that it should be in me is that purity of as a person you can be anything.
जी.
कुछ भी, मैं अपने बारे में कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ, बट मैं अपने डायरेक्टर के लिए एक ही चीज़ मांगता हूँ कि जब यार उस मोमेंट पे व्हेन you're telling your story or you're communicating with your character, just stay pure. बिकॉज वही है जो तुझे फियरलेस रख सकता है. सो आई थिंक दैट हैज, और इसीलिए when heavyweight like Zero is happening to me, till you talk to me or somebody tells me, then only I start feeling the pressure of कि इससे मुझे क्या करना. मुझे अभी भी I don't want to do anything but to tell a story. Zero is a story for me. I have to be at my purest best that I'm trying to do. And nothing more or less than this कि मैं अपनी ऑडियंस के पास ये कहानी ऐसे लेके जाऊं और बोलूं प्लीज ये कहानी सुन लो. That's it. I'm taking no other pressure.
Right. And I believe you guys would like to show the film to Kamal Hassan Saab as well.
हाँ, I also read this, but definitely बिल्कुल दिखाना
In fact,
चाहिए.
I spoke to him to Tanaya mentioned because he's been part of an iconic film,
Yeah,
and in fact, and so he said that I would love to watch because he's very fond of Shah Rukh as well.
yeah,
They worked
yeah.
in the past on
Yeah.
in Hey Ram. So how's the entire journey been for you as far as
It's been
because
very
the teaser, I
exciting.
think teaser has been extremely well received. That Eid teaser,
Right.
I thought it was very entertaining. I thought Javed Jaffri's voiceover was
Voiceover.
outstanding. I thought it was outstanding when I heard it.
And trust me,
Very
he
well written as well.
contributed brilliantly to it. हाँ, it is not that कि ये उन्हें दिया गया और उन्होंने deliver किया. He worked on it.
Must have.
It's not कि सर ये बोल दीजिए. No. He came up with कि what you want from it, and he actually worked on. He brought few lines and few nuances कि इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं, इसको वैसे कर लेते हैं. And he understood what we were trying to extract from this. So और हमारा रीजन यही था कि as a team that this thing of Dorf कि ये आ जाए कि यार ये इस तरीके से दिखते हैं. You know what? In fact, when we spoke about Kamal sir, I think what he did was at that time making a film like this
Must have been very tough.
of it's remarkable. हमारे पास तो लाइफ फिर भी आसान है.
VFX.
VFX उनके पास तो वो भी उतना नहीं था. पर मेरा ये है कि again I don't want to make this film कि see the size of Shah Rukh Khan. That's not the USP. You have to wait for to see him there on the screen. His contribution to the story or to the character is not that कि उन्होंने ये height accept की. He has done so much as an actor is remarkable. Shah Rukh sir has brought some magic to it.
Okay, sir, but you still haven't answered my question about that this perception that there'll be an entire turnaround that we can see happening in the entire perception around Shah Rukh Khan with Zero.
No, I
Because
said
he's always
because
been a
it's-
very fine actor, but the fact is that something or the other. So in fact, I spoke to Imtiaz recently, and he had made Jab Harry Met Sejal. So he said that maybe Shah Rukh sir should be working in certain movies which are challenging him. And in fact, I spoke to Kajol. He said that if hypothetically if she has to direct a film with him, so she will make him do something that he's scared of. So that एक जो comfort zone उनका है कि in terms of that हाथों का
but
expression.
मुझसे ज़्यादा मुझे लग रहा है
romantic
he's the one who's actually eager to leave that comfort zone. He has been doing it for quite some time.
He's extremely hungry.
He's a very hungry actor.
hungry person.
He's a very hungry actor and the most obedient actor because उनके साथ मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ you must know what you want because he is there. He will not say no to anything. So are you clear about it? You know, if somebody is not questioning you at all, it's a tough thing. कि सर ऐसे कर लेते हैं, हाँ कर लेते हैं. So the entire thing कि यार वो तो मेरे पास 100% available है ना actor. So again, he's very hungry and comfort zone. He's ready to leave comfort zone any moment. आप बोलो and he is happily doing that.
Okay, so you're saying that whatever you told him, so he did that. So I'll once again come to that entire debate about the director's prerogative. So in fact, there was this entire thing around Dilwale that maybe things were changed and just highlight the entire Shah Rukh Kajol chemistry. At any point of time, did you feel that that you have to just maybe take care of that superstar element that Shah Rukh Khan has, and supposedly his fans want to see him in that?
No, yeah. With him, I trust me, he's there as a brilliant support to you. means he is actually making what you are asking for. And मैं अगर एक बात आज बोल दूं ना कि मुझे ऐसे चाहिए और मैं कल बोलूं कि अच्छा let it go, he won't let it go. If I have asked for something in the film, I am ready to leave it tomorrow. He won't. So he is actually यार हर एक्टर के अंदर एक मेकर विद अ सर्टेन एक्सपीरियंस एक मेकर आ ही जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
और वो होना भी चाहिए, क्यों ना हो. बट इट इज आमिर और सलमान, they have certain experience. But now in this case, Khan Saab, the best part is that he starts living your dream. With me, it has been, he has just stood by me. And यार मैं फिर भी एक मिडिल क्लास लड़का हूँ और वो बहुत आसानी से बोलते ये चाहिए मुझे, बट हाँ मैं कर लूंगा, इसके बिना भी कर लूंगा. एंड ही इज द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन इज, तू इसके बिना क्यों करेगा. If it is there in your mind, just do it. So for me, actually, I'm very thankful to him because वो मेरा सपना जी रहे हैं.
Great. Okay, now, so it's the movie is releasing on 21st December. So you have, I think it's a Friday.
It's a Friday.
So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then you have Christmas on 25th. So 5-day sort of weekend.
Finally, I also have a weekend after so many films. मेरे को भी एक ऐसा वाला festival weekend मिल रहा है.
Right. Okay. So what is your viewpoint? Because I personally feel that if a film is good, it will find its audience.
Yeah.
No matter who's coming and when it's coming. So 28th Simba is coming. So this entire thing that only 1 week
right.
Zero is having. How do you personally look at it? Because we've seen it in the past. Like say 3 for that matter. It is still making inroads. Even though new movies are releasing, big films have released, like even Suidaga has released, but 3 is still making its presence felt.
Right.
It is still scoring at the box office because people want to watch it. What is your personal take on this?
I totally agree with you. If you have a film, then स्त्री कभी भी आ जाए, बाहुबली कभी भी आ जाए, in my case Tanu Manu Returns कभी भी आ जाए, it'll do its business. So but in this case the only difference is that not because of holiday and not because of कि it's a hugely invested, financially heavy film, so it needs a certain window. Just leave that apart. In its flavor, in its mood, I knew it's a Christmas film.
Happy.
It's a happy film. It required a certain atmosphere for my audience also. This is for the first time I felt. I asked it specifically in 2016. I said this कि ये Christmas पे, not, trust me, it is not because of कि अरे इतना सा ये हॉलीडेज होंगी और वो तो और भी बहुत सारी जगह मिल जाती. This by mood only, it is a Christmas film. For that actually we have to wait to watch it कि मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ इस बारे में.
बिल्कुल.
But ये है, ये फील के लिए क्रिसमस है.
बिल्कुल. Okay, and so in fact a friend of mine, he said that please do ask one question to Anand sir, because पता नहीं वो बताएंगे नहीं बताएंगे, but he feels that he's like a big Shah Rukh Khan fan. So he said कि please tell us that is it, as not entirely as a director but as a cinema lover, do you feel that this is his best work? Zero is his best work?
No, I am the director of the film, so it is very tough for me.
I'm saying not as a director, but maybe as a cinema lover. Do you feel that you've seen his earlier works? Do you feel this is his best work?
He's so versatile. मतलब the only thing I can say, yeah, he's putting this gear again after a long time. This gear, he has changed this gear after very long time. मुझे लग रहा है, this is now I'm saying as a audience now I'm saying कि अगर मैं बाहर निकल के इस फिल्म से देख रहा हूँ मैंने, तो वो जो राहुल और राज वाला जोन था ना, उसको छोड़ के वो राजू वाला जोन ना बहुत टाइम से, उसका एक शेड,
राजू बन गया जेंटलमैन,
वो जो राजू थे ना ये एक टाइम पे, वो वाला शेड, नॉट दैट, आई थिंक वो वाला गेयर बहुत टाइम बाद इज कमिंग बैक इन दिस. ही हैज एक्चुअली, he only got that So I'm very excited about it. You will see him like you've not seen him before. Like, you know, बहुत और ये इतने इन डेप्थ वाले हैं ना, मतलब he has enjoyed doing it. वो जो खुद के अंदर से एक कुछ डिस्कवर करके दोबारा निकालने वाली बात होती है कि अरे यार मैं, so he has done that. So you will find a new Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay. It's a rapid fire.
अरे देखो मैं इसी से ही डर रहा था, यही आया है.
Look, ऐसा कोई controversial नहीं है. It's not something that I think it's fun. So rapid fire with Anand L. Rai. Okay, what was SRK's first reaction when you narrated the script of Zero?
I'm doing the film.
I'm doing the film. Okay, if you meet following characters, what would you ask them? Following filmy characters, what is it that you'd like to ask them, or tell them, or whatever? Mudit Sharma from Shubh Mangal Sata.
How are you now after 2 years?
Okay, alright. Shravan Kumar Singh from Mukkabaz.
You're still a fighter?
Tanuja Trivedi Sharma from Tanu Weds Manu.
Be what you are. Be a firebrand.
Okay, Raja Avasthi from Tanu Weds Manu returns.
Next में मिल जाएगी.
Okay, Chanda Sai from Nil Bate Sannata.
Your struggle has paid off.
Alright.
In many ways.
Okay. Vicky Sandhu from Man Marziyan.
तू आज का लड़का है.
Okay, one most asked question to you on Twitter by SRK fans.
They keep on asking me, Zero का अगला पोस्टर कब आएगा?
कब आएगा?
मैंने तब भी नहीं जवाब दिया था.
Okay, what is that one thing that you'd like the following directors to teach you? Rajkumar Hirani.
More simplicity.
Great. Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Lensing.
Oh, okay. You feel that he lends.
He has got a great sense of lens.
Okay. Anurag Kashyap.
दादागिरी.
Okay, Dibakar Banerjee.
Newness. Every time something new.
Something new. All right. Karan Johar.
How to feel life is beautiful every time. How to make people feel that life is beautiful.
Okay, the best compliment that you receive for the teasers of Zero and from whom?
The only thing I remember now is Salman Bhai listening to that song which they did together and said, "Ye super hit hai." So I remember this, and he enjoyed the process. Both of them together, and this size thing.
Yeah, I know that
So
the teaser was outstanding. The Eid teaser, the chemistry between the two was outstanding. Alright, sir. So within Rapid Fire, we have a segment called Ye Ya Wo, either or.
either or. Okay.
What is tougher, directing या producing?
Producing.
Ranjana या Tanu Weds Manu returns?
Ranjana.
Jimmy Shergill या मोहम्मद जीशान अयूब?
अरे बाप रे. Jimmy Shergill.
Alright, Rajkumar Hirani या संजय लीला भंसाली?
Oh, Rajkumar Hirani.
Okay, SRK as Rizwan Khan या SRK as Kabir Khan?
Kabir Khan.
Okay, Chak De India. Delhi या मुंबई?
Delhi यार.
Okay, गुलाब जामुन या रसगुल्ला?
दोनों छोड़े हुए हैं पर रसगुल्ला.
I think you've lost some weight.
Yeah, because of this, because I have left either or, both.
Okay. Vicky Kaushal as Kamli या Vicky Kaushal as Vicky Sandhu?
Tough one. But yeah, I think Kamli was tougher.
Yeah. All right. Okay, action drama या rom-com?
Action drama.
All right. Okay, Netflix या Amazon?
Netflix.
Okay. Tanu Weds Manu या Ranjana? The film success that surprised you more. Which film success surprised you more?
Actually, both. But Tanu Weds Manu.
Okay, Robbie या Vicky?
Robbie.
Okay, SRK the producer या SRK the actor?
This is again a very tough one.
Okay, I wouldn't. Okay, all right, okay.
But I'll go with the actor.
Actor, okay. National award या 100 crore at box office?
National award?
या 100 crore at box office?
100 crore at box office.
Okay, so if you could please complete the following sentences. When I read the script of Tumbad, the first thing I loved about it was ...
That is, it scares you from greed.
Yeah. One thing that makes Shah Rukh Khan unique and different from other stars is ...
He's transparent.
He's transparent. The next actor I would like to work with is ...
Actually, I have not thought about it.
Okay, Anand L. Rai's favorite pastime is ...
Talking to my assistants.
I produced Tumbad only because ...
It's a game changer.
Zero will be a great film because ...
The way it has been made with lot of happiness.
Great. Sir, true or false? Following statements, if you could please tell us that whether it is true or false. The fantastic buzz around and tremendous response to both the teasers of Zero makes Anand L. Rai happy and nervous at the same time.
True.
If Anand L. Rai makes third installment of Tanu Weds Manu, he will make sure that Raja Avasthi gets married.
False.
You don't want him to get married, poor guy.
जब बॉक्स ऑफिस आ रहा है बिना शादी कराए तो
Okay, if Anand L. Rai loves the concept and content, he will produce the film without thinking about its box office prospects.
True.
Okay, when I produce films, I only think about the box office.
False.
Okay. Tumbad would do better business if it had known actors.
True.
I was shocked to see जब Harry met Sejal box office collection.
True.
Okay. Zero is Shah Rukh Khan's best work.
I want to believe this. I can't say true or false.
I want to believe this. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I did not anticipate the success of Tanu Weds Manu.
True.
So we've taken a few fan questions, I think, because that's something that since they've been trying to contact you for a long time. So let's hear from them. Quickly, we'll take a few of them.
Yeah.
So this is Abhiraj from Meerut, India. Sir, is Zero going to release in 3D?
नहीं यार 2D में ही मजा लो इसका.
Dhananjay Upadhyay from Nashik. Why was the NASA schedule planned for Zero? Can we expect a sci-fi movie?
No, it's not a sci-fi movie.
This is Mohammad Arsad from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Is there any plan to release Zero the movie in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia? I'm sure Saudi Arabia have many SRK fans like me.
It will
Actually,
be a wide
distribution has
release, I
opened
think.
in
Yeah.
Saudi
Then
Arabia recently.
It will definitely release. There.
Shala from Ahmedabad. Sir, as you told us, you will bring back SRK's audience. What's special and major aspect of movie Zero? I think so. It might be sci-fi movie. Please share something unique about it. So he's saying that you have said somewhere that you'll bring.
That was actually misquoted. I never said that I'll get the audience back. I said I'll get something for the audience जो उनको हमेशा से पसंद आया है.
Great.
You know that वो जो इनर लेयर वाला शाहरुख था जो उनका अपना था मुझे लग रहा है वो मैं
अच्छा जब आप राजू कहते हैं you're talking about the common man.
अब जब मैं राजू बोलता हूँ तो हाँ उनके अंदर का एक राजू जो आपको इनिशियल दिखा था.
Interesting. Okay. And anything unique about it that you'd like to share with him?
Yeah, the only thing I can say it's been made with lot of love and passion and हम लोगों ने बहुत enjoy किया ये फिल्म बनाते वक्त. It's been a tough journey and this all has been done for you all, for all the audience. और मुझे लग रहा है मजा आएगा.
Okay, so this is Ehsan from Yavatmal, India. How was your experience working with Katrina Kaif?
मुझे बहुत मजा आया. She's such fun loving and a brilliant human being. I have really enjoyed working with her.
So this is Rohan from Hyderabad, India. आनंद भाई हमारे SRK की मूवी Zero में VFX से ज़्यादा स्टोरी अच्छी रखना. आप क्या सोचते हैं इसके बारे में?
मुझे यही आता है. मैं वो ही कर रहा हूँ. कहानी सुना रहा हूँ और सारा ध्यान मेरा कहानी पे है. आप चिंता मत कीजिए. VFX सेकंड लेयर पे ही है.
Alright. This is the name is not there. @SIB_SIBBY. Is he co-producing the 12th Night adaptation with Vishal Bharadwaj?
I really don't know.
मतलब has there been any talk?
मुझे नहीं पता, genuinely नहीं पता.
This is good one, sir. This is Sakina from Mumbai, and she's saying that what's the difference between Zero and the rest of the movies of Anand sir? Is it your best till date? If yes, why? आपकी पहले की फिल्मों से किस तरीके से ये अलग है?
अलग है.
And if it is your best work?
I feel that this is my best and more gutsy and more fearless work.
You feel it's your best work?
I've really gone ahead and extended my storytelling here. You know, जो मैं करना चाहता था, I wanted to do that. करने का रीज़न सिर्फ VFX नहीं था, करने का रीज़न ये था कि मैं वो कहानी सुना सकूं जो मेरी होने के बावजूद मुझे मेरे कंफर्ट जोन से निकालती हो.
क्या बात
So that I can deliver something more. And I think I have done that in this. Rest all is for them to decide.
How important is writing for you, sir?
Very important.
You always played a very important role to the writers and that how they should be.
That's the seed. अगर वो correct नहीं है, then I won't be able to drive anything anywhere because that's what I thrive on. अगर मुझे वहाँ पे वो correct emotion या correct plot या correct movement नहीं मिलेगी, फिर एक डायरेक्टर क्या करेगा? It's the most important thing. I think maximum time should be spent on the scripting of a film.
I think you've answered this, but maybe this is a combined question. Mohammad Sardar from Kurdistan, Iraq. How was the Zero journey with SRK, Katrina, and Anushka? So the entire journey he's asking for.
Fantastic journey for me. मेरे लिए trust me and I give all the credit to these actors जिन्होंने अपने actors से पहले खुद से मिलने दिया मुझे. So I can say now after completing this film on the shoot that I know Katrina Kaif as a person, I know Anushka as a person, I know Khan Saab as a person. So and they made my life easier because the kind of director I am, I don't thrive on the craft. I actually look forward to expressing myself to people when I'm working with them. So उन्होंने मुझे वो जगह दी. So ये credit इन तीनों actors का ही है that they have actually let me enter their life for that time to understand them as a person so that I can work with them. And जो मेरी strength भी हो सकती है और मेरी weakness भी, अगर ये मुझे ये space नहीं देते तो मैं शायद वो चीज़ें extract नहीं कर पाता जो मैंने की.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Okay, आज़ाद SRKN सर 2 नवंबर को मन्नत आप जा रहे हैं या नहीं? So is it launching? The teaser is launching on 2nd.
The teaser is definitely coming on 2nd November. I don't want to miss this opportunity that it's his birthday. And बिल्कुल इन्होंने इतना patience दिखाया है all his fans. So they should get something on
So is it like a teaser or like a theatrical trailer?
It will be a trailer.
Trailer, proper?
Yeah, a proper trailer.
Like a 2.5 or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. This is a good question, sir. This is Ashutosh from New Delhi. How do you select the stories as we see Ranjana, Newton, now Tumbad and Zero, all are of different genres? What thing in story attracts you to produce or direct it? This is a good question, sir.
Yeah. For me, when I'm directing it, I should have reason to tell that story. I should, as a maker, should feel for it. That this is something which I have to take to my audience. And this is the need of time as a director. That मुझे ये बात बोलनी है. That's important. And when I'm producing it, I need to see same thing in my director. कि how keen or how passionate he is about. Definitely, I have out of this yes or no, or I chose 100 crores over national award. But when I'm choosing a film कि ये film हमें produce करनी चाहिए, I'm not thinking about box office. I'm just thinking about the vision of my director or my vision as a director. So I have kept it very pure. And then I can sit as a producer and decide कि यार इसकी economics ये रहेगी. So my stories are only as a director because I want to tell the story is the reason कि as a maker मेरा ये time है ये कहानी सुनाने का. और as a producer same thing I look for कि एक director के अंदर उतना ही passion है ये कहानी सुनाने का. I pick it up.
Sure. So I'll just take a couple of more questions. There are a lot of them. I'm sure that you must be getting a lot on Twitter. I'm sure. So we're talking about box office now.
हाँ.
Gaurav Pandey from Lucknow, UP. Sir, I'm a big SRK fan. I want Zero to do more than 350 crores. Will Simba affect this? At least 320 is desired by all SRK fans. How good is Zero to prevent any sort of damage from Simba? सर 350 का एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपसे, 320 पे सेटल कर लेंगे वो.
यार अगर मैंने अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है तो 350 है. मतलब इट हैज टू डू विद, एंड अगेन नंबर्स फॉर मी विल डेफिनेटली, नंबर्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट राइट नाउ. जिस जोन में मैं हूँ, आई हैव अ फीलिंग दैट वी हैव अ वेरी गुड फिल्म. और अगेन फरीदून, मेरा एक ही वर्ड होता है कि यार मुझे बनाते वक्त मौज आई है, आपको देखते वक्त आनी चाहिए. और अगर वो मौज वो वाला नंबर कर लेती है जो ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो मैच कर गए.
बिल्कुल सर. In fact, I'll take one more question, but before that, you know, sir, I strongly, in fact, I've been talking to a lot of people within the industry, and I would like to take your perspective as well. So I strongly believe this entire numbers thing we talk about, but the fact is that maybe enough is not being done in terms of raising the number of screens in India.
Yeah.
Because the fact is, 350, so I think it will become very, very less. If there is a proper distribution network that can possibly happen. Like say, like a Secret Superstar does 750 crores in China.
China.
And आज से 10 साल पहले चाइना में करीबन I think the number of screens was very less, and the way they are multiplying is phenomenal. साल के शुरू में 45,000 थे, and ये expectation है कि साल के end तक 60,000 तक के होने के chances हैं. And the fact is, India में हमारे बहुत ही it's getting added at a very, very slow pace.
Definitely, मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि number of theaters, और especially see when we sit and talk about this and say the highest grossing Hindi film for us has been Dangal, and Dangal is not even the 4% of population which has seen the film. So you can really understand that हम लोग कितने कम लोग देख रहे हैं. सो एंड कहीं ना कहीं आई हैव अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग दैट आने वाले 5-10 साल में, एंड आई थिंक फॉर दैट गवर्नमेंट एंड द चेन्स, द थिएटर चेन्स शुड सिट एंड सॉल्व. बिकॉज मुझे लगता है थिएटर चेन्स की अपनी प्रॉब्लम है इन टर्म्स ऑफ उनको सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता गवर्नमेंट से टू इंक्रीज दैट. बिकॉज बहुत सारे, और वो कहीं ना कहीं हाउ टू से इट, हमारा इतना सब करने के बावजूद भी वी हैवंट गॉट अ स्टेटस ऑफ इंडस्ट्री, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. तो वो चीज अगर ये वहां से सॉल्व होनी शुरू होगी. और वही वाली बात, वो सी सेंटर में हम जाते हैं, हमारे पास थिएटर्स नहीं है. हमारा एक्चुअली हम उस ऑडियंस के पास पहुंच भी नहीं पा रहे जो हमें देखना चाहते हैं.
बिल्कुल 100%.
वो हमारा इंतजार करती है सैटेलाइट के लिए. तो द डे वी हैव थिएटर्स देयर, the numbers will change.
Definitely. This is Shamba Devi from Mumbai. When are we getting Anushka's look? Please tell us something about her character.
I love this excitement. Yeah. People are waiting for it. But trust me, I have my own reasons to hold it back, to raise this excitement. And but whenever it will happen, they will be informed much before.
Great.
You know, I'm holding on to things for some reasons. I'm sure. I want to unfold in certain way. It's actually the process. Unfolding is कहानी का एक unfolding का एक process है. So I'm just holding on to that. Just give me another week's time and I'll clear off lot of things for them.
Fantastic. In fact, today is October 2nd. We are exactly 1 month away from the trailer.
ये भी अभी आपने याद दिलाया मुझे. हाँ, मेरे दिमाग में सेकंड नहीं था ऐसे.
1 month away. Sir, thank you very much for your time. It was lovely talking to you, and the fact that you've spoken about everything in a very, very, very openly, and really looking forward to Zero and whatever you're going to be doing next. And I think you're a fantastic producer. The way you're supporting a lot of these filmmakers. I've spoken to Raya Anil Barve, and he told me what all happened with him and how you came on board. So it's really commendable that what you're doing over there. And thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, I am Anand L. Rai and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.